Hello students, in earlier videos we had learned the basic concepts related to the parallel lines and transversal, and also we had learned the angles made by the transversal like corresponding angles, interior angle, then alternate angle. Okay, alternate angle have two types, that is internal alternate angle and exterior alternate angle. So we will discuss these concepts in detail uh, in previous videos. Okay, so now today we will start here practice set 2.1, which is based on these basic concepts. Okay, so question number 1, in the adjoining figure each angle is shown by a letter. Okay, fill in the boxes with the help of the figure. Okay, so this is your given figure in which each angle is marked or shown by the letter. Like this angle is what? This angle is P, this one is Q, this is S, R, then here W, here is X, Y, and then Z. Okay, so this line is called as a transversal, and these two lines are what? They are parallel lines to each other, or we can say that these lines are or transversal. Suppose this line is L, so L is the transversal of the line A and B. Okay, corresponding angles. Okay, so what is meant by the corresponding angles? Corresponding angles are those angles which is at the corner, like this one. This corner, which angle is there? Q. So Q is equivalent to which one? That is X. That means corner angles. Match the corner one. Okay, so Q and X, P and W, then S and Z, R and Y. So similarly, P is equivalent to what? P and W, like this. Correct? P and W. So your answer is what? W. Next, Q. Q and X. So angle X is there. Correct? Next, R. This one is R and this one. That is R and Y. Clear? So R and angle Y. Then angle S and what? Angle S and angle Z, like this. So angle Z. Understand this one? These are the corresponding angles made by this figure. Okay. Then next you want to calculate here. You have to calculate here interior alternate angle. Interior alternate angle. So what is meant by interior? Interior angle means what? In between angles, like this one. This part is covered. Okay. Between the line A and B. This is an interior angle. But we have to calculate an interior alternate angle. So angle S. So alternate of this one is what? Alternate of this one is X. So skip one skip out, like yes, after that R, then X. So angle X is there. Correct? Next, angle W. Angle W. So it is equivalent to what? R. Angle R. So like this you have to solve the first question, which is based on the corresponding angle and interior alternate angle. Next, question number 2. Observe the angles shown in figure and write the following pair of angles. Okay, we have to in this question the one diagram is there. Okay, so according to that diagram we have to write down the pair of the angles, like interior alternate angles. What are the pair of this one? Pairs of corresponding angles, then pairs of interior angle. So we will solve this question one by one. Okay, like your first part is what? Interior alternate angle. Interior, what is the interior angle? Like these are two lines, okay, this one and this one. So in between these two lines, these are the interior angles. But I want to calculate a what? Interior alternate. That means we have to skip one place. That is, suppose C, we want to calculate the interior alternate angle pair of C here. So C and what? B is not there, then E. Then angle C and angle E, like that. Angle B and angle H, like this. Cross. Okay. So these are the interior alternate angle. Next, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are those angles which are matched the corners, like A. A is equivalent to what? E. Okay, so first pair is done here. A and E. Next, angle B is equivalent to what? F. B. F here. B, angle B and angle F. Then angle C. Angle C is equivalent to what? G. And then angle D is equivalent to what? H. Like this. So these are the corresponding angles which are made by the given diagram. Clear? Next angle is what? Interior angles. Only we have to write down here interior angles. Okay. So interior angles what? Angle C, this one, is equal to angle F, and then angle B is equal to angle E. Clear? That means angle C and angle H and angle B and angle E. Okay? Like that we have to find out the different types of angles with respect to their transversal. Okay? Clear all of you? So this is your practice set 2.1. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe it and share to your friends.